Alright guys, so I'm doing an Instant Pot recipe. I got some organic Girl Greens here. I got some chicken breast I want to use up, and I got some garlic. So I'm going to saute it in the Instant Pot with the saute function first, with all the garlic. It's going to get a nice aroma. And then I'm going to put some cauliflower in there, and then I'm going to put some rice, and then I'm going to hit the rice button on the Instant Pot, and then wait for 20 minutes, and it should be all done. So stay tuned. I'm going to season it with some oregano, some garlic salt, fennel, and white pepper. Okay, so I'll be right back. Alright guys, so here is the chicken all seasoned, and you see the cloves of garlic in there all chopped up. So I'm going to hit the saute function, as you can see right there. We're going to wait until that cooks up, and then I'm going to put the cauliflower and then rice, and then hit the rice button right there. So stay tuned, be right back. Alright guys, so here it is all done up. Let's do a quick taste test. Here we get some cauliflower there. It's really good. It's got a lot of herbs aroma going through it. Definitely check it out guys. If you have any questions, comments, post them below, and subscribe to the channel.